Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we'll be drawing a custom Bulbasaur Squishmallow. We're going to start around the eye area, right around here. Let's draw in the first eye. It's just going to be a big arch, like so. And then we want to go down towards the center. And let's connect that shape across. And for our eye, we just need two circles in the middle. 1, 2. And that's going to be our first eye. Now we want to repeat this on the right side. For the second eye, we're going to go up from this point, back down, and connect. With the shape done, let's draw in our two circles. Go up, down, and then the center. Like so. With our eyes done, let's add in two little eyebrows, one on the right and one on the left. And let's go for the mouth. The mouth is going to start right here. We want to go across, loop around, go back down, loop back up for our little mouth, and we just need two little teeth. The face is pretty much done, so let's draw in the rest of our Squishmallow body. From here, we want to go up around this point of the eye, right around here, and we're going to arch and connect these two dots. Once you got the top of the head done, let's add in our first ear. Starting from here, we're going to go up across and back down to around this point. And repeat the same shape on the other side. Start from here, up, and back down. Once you have the two ears done, let's draw in the rest of the body. We're going to start from the bottom of the ear, go down to this point, stop, and then we're going to go extend out and draw 3 fingers. So extend out, 1 finger, 2 fingers, 3, and let's go back up. And we want to repeat this on the other side. Starting from the bottom of the ear, go down, out, 1, 2, 3 fingers, and back in. With your hands done, let's draw in the bottom of the body. We start from the left side, right around the middle of the arm, and we go all the way down, across, and back up to around the same spot. That's looking good. And then let's draw in the rest of the details. Bulbasaur does have a bulb, so we could draw the bulb on this side right here. Starting from around the middle of the ear, we want to go out and add a little line like this. And then we're going to add 2 more bumps. 1, 2. Once you're done with the bumps, let's connect it to the arm. And then we need 2 lines for details. 1 line here and a line here. And Bulbasaur does have a few little spots on his body, so let's add those in. We're going to start here, add 1, 2. Let's draw 3 around the face. 3, 4, 5, and let's draw 2 more on the right side. 1, 2. With that done, let's draw in a nice big belly for Bulbasaur. Let's start around here, and let's go all the way around. Like so. And there you have it. Your drawing is done. All we need its color real quick. Thank you so much for watching. If you have suggestions for any other videos, please leave it in the comments down below. And I'll see you in the next one.